Live from Robertsport Highway, this is Musa Sharif covering this unique occasion where a group of citizens or contractors have come to block the road from Robertsport Highway to Toussor in between. This is Musa Sharif and keep following. These are the actions.
This is the Voice of Robertsport. We are covering it at Robertsport Highway on our way from Robertsport, where a group of workers working on the road to do the construction have come for their 4 months. And other people 6 months arrears. So now there's a blockage at the area, and we are seeing people are here, and they said no car from time, and also car from Robertsport will be coming in, and so the area is packed, and people are all here saying that indeed they want a salary because the road construction, the labor, and it will be important that they get their just benefit, because they get a lot of companies just using them are getting any money. And so we are here, and we're talking to the same mayor. You see also here and moving. The mayor is here, and other people are here, but we are still talking to the people to see how best the road can be open. And you can see the blockage. So this is the Voice of Robertsport, and we'll get back to you soon as we continue the negotiation. Thank you so much.
In which I'm not sure that it have made their demand, the demand of the CEO. But my only message here is, please push a message to anybody, to any institution responsible to make sure that civil companies that do the road work, construction work, should be able to get their money at least time frame.
You being here, asking to be corrected. What do we say regarding the roadblock? Have to be talked to move the roadblock?
Yeah, regarding the roadblock issue, it was done yesterday. I came, you were witness, came and put it down. And then today too, we took the same radical approach and new to us. So I'm going to call. And then we try to resolve it, but you know, it will take time. So blocking the road is not really necessary, but sometimes other people use it in order to air their feelings to people. So I believe that's the reason they took that approach. But we're trying to come and say, as I speak to you, the fiscal affairs spoke to me. I spoke with him. He gave me his word that he will be in Robertsport today. And he can make sure that things are resolved. That's the reason it's me taking this. That's the reason it's me keeping my house to talk to the workers. The next person too was the city mayor. He added his voice, and then another country authority came. But he said every one of them going to join this and go to whosoever have to do with this, to write them to make sure they should bring this thing to the table and come and say this. So that's the reason.
Yeah, so we want to know how much you think is in total as arrear, or that they owe you.
With the workers?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for me, they are with us 4 months. Only 4 months, I believe. There are even some senior staff that are way more than that. It's a truth, although it hurts, that's the truth. The points of senior staff more than that. The point of senior staff 6 months, 8 months. But we the senior staff and come on us and all power, because now the whole republic is the major contractor in the republic. I mean, the major client in the republic is the government. No other entity now really giving road worker. Like you said, no more you say, no more cigar. So that's the reason you see us going through this nowadays.
Strengthening the movement
like I said, and I will say again, anytime, it's not the solution to the problem, but it's sometimes raise the red flag to the solution. Yes, when this happens, Mr. S was responsible for this. Maybe I don't know the intention. But I believe that this is that's the reason they took that approach. So on the way, that's another approach in order to discuss it.
All right, your name again?
Okay,
thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Records production.